Especially for my friend.
Kedatangan Bapak kesini
My name friend
memberikan bagi kita
is
semua.
Dana.
Saya merepresentasikan teman saya, Dana.
And she often watch
Dia seorang
your videos on YouTube. And with the help of Wanita, she convert to Islam and declared shahadah at her
dan
home.
atas bantuan seorang dai, dia
But
sekarang menjadi
she still got the validity when she convert to Islam
tapi dia masih
and
meragukan
declare shahadah.
validitas.
Would you please help my friends to declare shahadah so that she will not feeling dumb anymore with her status?
Menuntut syahadah
Thank you.
bagi saudari kami yang baru ini.
The sister has said that non-Muslim friend put this and been seeing my video cassette, the translation of my video cassette is on YouTube, and then she has accepted Shahada, but she wants to declare it in public, and she wants me to help her
Mbak
send
ini
Shahada.
mengikuti
Sister,
saya
you
di
can ask her
YouTube
the question
dan
that does she
sebelumnya dia
believe
beliau Buddha,
that
tapi sekarang
there is one God?
dia
Do you believe
menjadi
there is one
Muslim.
God?
Yes.
Apakah Anda meyakini adanya satu Tuhan?
Do you believe that idol worship is prohibited?
Apakah Anda percaya bahwa menyembah berhala itu tidak dibolehkan?
Yes.
Do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God?
Apakah Anda meyakini bahwa Nabi
Is
Muhammad adalah
anyone
utusan Allah?
forcing you to accept Islam?
Apakah ada yang memaksa Anda untuk menganut
Are
Islam?
you doing it out of your own free will?
Apakah Anda melakukan ini sesuai dengan
Are you
keinginan
doing
diri
out of your
sendiri?
own free will?
No.
Tanpa paksa. Apakah Anda melakukan ini tanpa paksaan sesuai keinginan diri sendiri?
Tidak.
No,
Keinginan sendiri.
no one is forcing. Nobody is forcing.
No.
Tidak ada yang memaksa.
Inshallah, I will say it in Arabic and you repeat it.
Insya Allah saya akan menyebut ini dalam bahasa Arab, kemudian Anda
Allah,
ulangnya.
Allah,
ilaha,
ilaha,
illallah,
illallah,
wa ashhadu
wa asyhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
Saya bersyahadat
there is no
bersaksi
God
bahwa
there
tidak
is
ada
no
Tuhan
God
but Allah
but
selain
Allah
Allah,
and Prophet Muhammad
and
dan saya
Prophet
bersaksi
Muhammad
bahwa
is
Nabi
the
Muhammad
messenger
is the
SAW
messenger
and servant
adalah
and
utusan
servant
of Allah.
dan
of
budak
Allah.
Allah
MashaAllah,
Subhanahu
become
wa
Muslim
Ta'ala.
and may Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.
Masya Allah, Anda sekarang telah menjadi Muslim yang sesungguhnya.
I pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala that may
Saya
give you more
berdoa
hidayah
agar Allah
and
Subhanahu wa
may
Ta'ala
you
memberi
grant
Anda lebih
Jannah
banyak lagi
and may
hidayah,
make you
lebih
spread
banyak
the
lagi
message of peace to others, inshallah.
dan semoga Anda menjadi alat Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala untuk menyebar kedamaian.
Let's move forward to the next question. Can any non-Muslims please move
And we go
forward?
again. The microphone. Are there any non-Muslims there?
Non-Muslims please.
And the microphone behind.
Okay,
Are there
non-Muslims.
any non-Muslims there?
Apakah ada
Are
non-Muslim
there
di
any
mikrofon di
non-Muslims in the
belakang?
queue behind and the right here? And the ladies, are there any non-Muslims?
Are there any more non-Muslims? Please come to the front.
Apakah ada non-Muslim lagi yang ingin bertanya?
Ada lagi yang